Okay guys, I got the new Airpods Pro 2nd gen. I'm gonna be unboxing. This is an unboxing video, and I will compare it to, oh, I don't have them with me. Oh, I do have them right here. We're gonna be comparing it to the Airpods Pro 1st gen. Gonna compare it to case and everything else. Here, I'll take this cover off the 1st gen Airpods so you guys can see it. So you can see the difference between the two. So this is the 1st gen. See the bottom, see on the strap. Then we're gonna unbox the 2nd gen. Let's see. Alright. You have some paperwork on the case, and then you have the AirPods. And underneath the AirPods, you have your lightning cable, and then with different size earbuds. Okay, extra small this time. They used to not provide that. Now they're doing it. So yeah, extra small, small, and large. Here, let me see. There you go. And then you have your lightning cable that comes in the box. No charger. Just that's all you get. You get the new Airpods Pro, and then we're gonna take the peel off the case. Okay, there you go. So you have the new case with a little attachment side right here. Let me see if my camera isn't. There you go. Then you have the speakers on the bottom, so now you can locate the speakers. Locate the case easily. So that's great. Lightning charger. Then you have the AirPods themselves inside. What changes the microphone location to? So on these ones in the number 2 generation compared to the number 1s, as you can see, you have your mic and ear sensor right on one spot, and the new ones is on the top, the mic. So this is the mic to help with call quality. Here, for my camera will get some focus. There you go. Then you have all this stuff you see in the old ones. You have the ear sensor on the bottom too, and then you have something, and then you have the microphone inside right here, this location. Then they swap everything up. The new AirPods have touch controls now. You can control your volume, and it's supposed to have a new chip and things like that. So I'll let you guys know how they sound and the noise cancellation once I get them for a week or something like that, and for a couple of days. I'll let you guys know. So that's it. That's been the unboxing of AirPods 2 2nd gen, AirPods Pro 2nd gen. So thank you for watching. All right.